Molly, you and I think so? You know how last night yours was in this shape? Maybe it's a Princess Palace pet.
It is the same shape.
Yep.
Or maybe it's one of the, maybe it's, look at Mommy, why I did get this for Christmas.
Remember you wanted that?
How does Santa know this?
Look on the back.
Look, you practice your letters and numbers. It's like a little computer. Do you like it?
Yeah. Molly,
Rip it, girlfriend.
You got cooler toys than me. Those are awesome.
Ooh, oh my gosh. You don't have to make them.
What is it?
Yeah,
You
we make them.
Show me.
We make them.
Oh my god. Maybe I can bring these two on to Maddie. Maybe we can try to play them by ourselves.
Or we can bring
Yeah.